Hmm. So I woke up few minutes back. I don't know. I got sleepless today. Now it's 12:36. So what do you call it? I should avoid non-veg, but it's a personal shit. So uh, this thing is getting back. What do you call it? My swelling is decreasing, but the nasal, it's a bone thing. You cannot do it though. When the bones are broken, it's broken. You have to surgically fix it. Yeah. Rhinoplasty, septoplasty. So this is the creation of Amazon, right? Amazon did this, right? Because he wanted data, and so he could claim my face, my shooting footages, right? Right? That's the thing, right? I have to go through this. Where I'm wrong in burning Amazon? Where I'm wrong in burning Amazon? He's smashing faces to claim my shooting footages. Huh? He's doing identity fraud. For that, he has to smash my face, put me into the hospital and in a surgery. To blackmail me, he has to make first message planting, then sex videos, then hidden cameras, right? And what you know, Amazon has created a femicide situation. Do they know this? I don't want to speak about that femicide situation. It's their creation. I don't want to be, what do you call it, pointed for their doings. I don't want to be. They did it themselves. Neither I want to speak about it, neither I want to, because they have did this in front of the world. They claim shooting footages, they are claiming written material, they are claiming names, they are claiming files, they are what do you call it, changing drives, and what do you call it, doing forgery, fake forensic, and uh, what do you call it, tampering emails and all this shit, doing bank frauds, nudes, hidden bugs, sextortion, taking phone, stealing data and defaming about the same in the same event. So they have created a femicide situation. I don't want to speak about this because there are a lot of people out there who have those files. Amazon has put a woman stamp in the front. Woman. So it will, and men also have those files. A lot of men. So I don't want to speak about it. It's their own creation. So my thing is the fucking that production, that what do you call it, whichever you use it. All this shit happened, the race and everything, because of who? Production. Production organized this. You know? So it's the best thing. I'll fuck the production. Production is giving bribe. Production is stopping investigation. Production is not forcing, putting women in the front. Production is, and sex serious, and those are the women who are coming in the front. They are, men are what do you call it? Napunsak from their house. They are no use to their own woman. That's why the woman is selling their hair. So such women have come in the front. Their men are useless. If their men would have been useful, why would have they would have done this? They would have been satisfied. But stealing, robbing, something is lacking in their house. It's their men. My thing is not the men, woman or race thing. It's the fucking production. You created a lot of shit to get hands on my work. Yes, sir. I'm very fucking straightforward. If I said I gotta burn $1 trillion, then I gotta burn $1 trillion.